Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Hbar. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Hbar. I'm going to start with this. Still one of my favorite real-world crypto applications of all time. Hedera Hashgraph to be used for crowdsourced airstrike warning app in Syria. An app that has been used for years to help civilians to access better real-time information about airstrikes has switched from using Ethereum to Hedera Hashgraph, another real-world use case. And you see how it switched from Ethereum to Hedera? We're going to see a lot more of that happen in the future. Let's face it, Hedera outperforms Ethereum. Joget and the Hbar Foundation partnered to enable no-code, low-code dApp development on Hedera. The Hedera Ledger Pack integrates Hedera with Joget DX, enabling users to create apps without coding that interact with the Hedera DLT. With Hedera's unique features and Joget's open architecture, users can now quickly create business applications and dApps that deliver real-world value. You know, when you make something very easy, people will use it. They don't want complicated. And we're early in the crypto. Wait until enterprise comes on board. They're going to choose whatever network is easiest to use. They're not going to choose something that's slow and outdated either. They want the newest and the fastest. That's why they will choose Hedera. Then there's this. So what is going on, H Barbarians? We are happy to announce our Hedera powered coin flip is now live and doubling Hbar. Win 2,000 in free Hbar coin flip play. These are small projects that come on board as well, and they grow over time. I believe this is something that will grow and it'll expand and it will add value to Hbar along the way. Hedera featured in World Economic Forum website as a partner. You know, people hate the World Economic Forum, and I understand why. I think it's a totally evil entity. But as you see which cryptocurrencies they're partnering with, that tells you Hedera and Hbar is going to be part of the new financial system. Yet people still don't understand that. Then you look at the governing council members around Hedera. That alone should make you go all in, because I believe Hbar is one of those cryptocurrencies that will definitely give you financial freedom in the future. And then Hedera goes on and they become part of the State Department. Hedera and U.S. State Department collaborate for democratic change, using blockchain technology to drive transparency and foster democracy. A powerful partnership. The trust deficiency between citizens and governments is growing in many democracies worldwide. One reason is a growing awareness of corruption and disinformation, which erodes confidence in government institutions and democratic processes. Consider the ongoing street protest in France over certain areas of public policy. Blockchain technology is a modern tool that can help promote transparency and accountability in government processes. It features a distributed ledger that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof record-keeping of transactions. By using blockchain, governments can build a more reliable and accountable system that enables citizens to verify the accuracy of public records and transactions. So now you see where Hedera fits in with the State Department as well. You know, I believe going forward in the future, at some point, you're going to see Hedera tied in with the Fed. I could see it happening. We have just launched basically a partnership with Velon CC, which is the top 10 teams in pro cycling, together with Danish company called Immortal. A new experience for pro cycling fans. Watch exclusive content from the teams. A revolutionary new ranking system. Own and trade your favorite riders. And you see Velon and the Hbar Foundation. Welcome to Road Code. This is also another very good use case because it gets Hedera out there. People that like cycling will definitely see what Hedera is, what Hbar is. Citadel wallet pre-order launch was a massive success and exceeded all of our expectations, especially in a bear market. In just 5 days, raised 3.3 million Hbar. Nights minute 1,007. Pre-orders 1,627. Citadel wallet is going to be game-changing, and it's going to grow and expand as well. Stay up to date with the latest news and updates from the Hedera ecosystem with the Hash Gazette, your weekly dose of all things Hedera. HBAR and Hedera grow and expand so much, they had to come up with their own newspaper. That's how big Hedera's becoming. You know, I do a lot of videos on HBAR. I've done it for almost a year now. And all through that time, it's been announcement after announcement, disruptive announcements, around real estate and tokenization. Then you have daily announcements, other projects coming on board and building. This is going to be game changing in the future on the price of HBAR. In case anyone didn't understand the Hedera ad regarding Libra. So Harman says that he sat down with David Marcus of Facebook in February 2018 and shared his company's vision for Hedera, including the technology roadmap and the importance of a governing council. Much of what we shared was echoed in Facebook's Libra announcement this week. And that's a good thing for the market, he comments. Facebook has set some high table stakes, and we believe we have the right approach and the necessary technologies to surpass those. It looks like Facebook actually took a lot of Harman's ideas back then, and you could see them in Libra today. Hedera mainnet transactions per second is flying again, and it's not an HBAR video if I don't talk about transactions per second. So I said that HBAR is definitely going to be part of that new financial system. You know, when you see 6 billion transactions, it's a lot. But just imagine HBAR and Hedera doing that on a weekly basis, because that new financial system is going to be very vast. There's going to be a lot of money flowing. I believe HBAR will capture a lot of those transactions. On our Loco Poker platform, we have HBAR tables open 24/7. Play at different HBAR levels depending on your experience or appetite. Drop in and play a few hands and you might win some HBAR. Again, Loco Poker, another project that will grow over time, adding value to HBAR. Gandhi stamps dropped today. You know, years ago, collecting stamps, you went to the post office and you bought a book of stamps. And then maybe you bought some off of eBay and other places. Today, everything is around digital stamps, NFTs. You know, everything is changing. Everything is switching over to digital. Everything will be tokenized in the future as well. But I thought that was worth a mention. Did you know koalas are an endangered species? Koala Hash Club is a project built on Hedera that is actively changing the way donations are made through the power of Hedera and HBAR NFTs. With the help of Blade Wallet, 2023 is going to be the year of the koala. It's always real world use cases as well. You could see how HBAR is tied into the real world. Then there's Dobu. So we launched our dynamic sustainability grants program. Engage in development, marketing, community, or supply tracks and contribute to our thriving carbon credit ecosystem. Voting starts today. Seize the opportunity, make an impact. Now, people don't like when you talk about climate change, but carbon credits are going to be part of our daily lives in the future. You know, Hedera being tied into this just tells me it's here for the long term. You know, that's going to be a multi-billion-dollar to $1 trillion business in the future, and it's going to grow year over year. You know, you got to look at the big picture when you invest. You got to see what your crypto is tied to. For HBAR, you don't have to look very far because every single day you could see new announcements around it, real world use case too, and a lot of utility. For me, I always said it, you know, HBAR is well-rounded. It's tied to everything. It's tied to GameFi, Metaverse, Sociify, NFTs. Now it's dealing with a lot of transactions. I'm still waiting for the coupons to start, those transactions to come, because inflation, in my opinion, is going to go much higher. I believe we're going to see hyperinflation probably by the end of 2023 as country after country comes to de-dollarize the US. A lot of people are always going to search for coupons to save money. And as they do, they'll be utilizing HBAR and Hedera along the way. This is one crypto I believe everybody should definitely hold a little bit of it at least, because this is one crypto that I believe is definitely going to shock the entire crypto space. When it shows its true value, HBAR is going to be absolutely shocking, because you can't have all of that growth and no price movement. I said it time and time again, because that's what makes sense to me. But let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Can you have all this growth and have a price where HBAR is sitting right now? Who believes the price is very suppressed? With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.